Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the new video for Azure DevOps for Cloud Computing series that we are doing. In this video, you will see how to create organization in Azure DevOps. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, did you like that short trailer that we made? That was nice, isn't it? So then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment, share your feedback, and share all the videos of this YouTube channel with all the people around you, in your company, in your friend circle, whosoever you want to do. Let me just log onto the portal now and take it from there. Okay, so before we proceed further, let me tell you a bit about what is an organization in terms of Azure DevOps. An organization in Azure DevOps is a mechanism for organizing and connecting groups of related projects. Examples are business divisions, regional divisions, or other enterprise structures. You can choose one organization for your entire company or separate organization for specific business units. Like you can create different organization, one for HR, marketing, finance, your application team, your testing team, your quality assurance team. And each organization gets its own free tier of Azure DevOps services, up to 5 users for each service types as follows. You get Azure pipelines, you get Azure boards, repos, artifacts, load testing, and unlimited stakeholders. Alright, so you are logged on into the Azure DevOps. You click here onto the new organization tab. Continue, because I already have an organization whose name is Azure Studio. Now if you are creating a new DevOps, it will take your logged in ID and ask you to continue. Name your Azure DevOps organization v-2 Azure, and then we will host it in West Europe. You can host it in any way you want out of the drop down locations. Click on continue. Here is my first organization, which is Azure, right? And this is my second organization, which is v-2 Azure. And herein you can create your multiple projects, and that is how you can create one more organization under your single logged in account, right? If you will say continue, it will ask you with the name and you'll be done. So I hope this was informative to all of you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment on the videos, share your feedback. Until next video, have a great day ahead.